Hey everyone, today we'll show you how to organize your backpack. Is your backpack unorganized? Well, today we'll show you how to organize it the correct way. Step 1, unzip your backpack. Step 2, take everything out. Don't throw everything out. Instead, take them out in a neat pile. Step 3, make 2 piles, an important pile and a non-important pile. Alright, be careful of sharp stuff like scissors, paper, and sharp pencils. Step 4, throw away the not important pile. Step 5, reorganize your backpack and make pockets only for specific stuff. As you can see right there, this backpack is empty. Well, it won't be for long. Step 6, put your important stuff in. Step 7, double check if it's organized. And finally, step 8, zip up your backpack. And you're done. Here's an example of a ready-to-school backpack. Alright everyone, hope you enjoyed my how-to video today. If you enjoyed my video, please consider smashing the like button right here. Also, consider subscribing to my channel. And I'll consider seeing you guys next time. Bye guys. Bye everyone.